Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory. To Yah be the glory. Confronting sin, they turning back to the lost, fighting the spiritual war. They hate me 'cause I wanna follow you, Yahushua. It is written that the truth will make you free. Don't take it from me, just read. Let me tell you, there's a lot of false prophets. They really want to empty your pocket. Telling you that you will be blessed. What a lie. Asking you to give them your last. Woe to them lying preachers. Woe to them pagan worshipers. Woe to them Christian deceivers.